At the 2023 Guangzhou Auto Show, ZEEKR unveiled its latest model, the ZEEKR 007, officially commencing its pre-sale at a price of 229,900 Chinese yuan, approximately $32,000 US. As the fourth model under the ZEEKR brand, the ZEEKR 007 is built on the SEA platform, adopting an entirely new design language and boasting an 800-volt electrical architecture alongside features like laser radar. According to ZEEKR, the ZEEKR 007 was crafted by the Stefan Silaf team, featuring a hidden energy minimalist yet luxurious exterior design. Specifically, the front face employs a closed design commonly found in pure electric vehicle models. The front bumper exhibits a relatively rounded profile, while the raised design and contour lines on the hood further enhance the front's sense of power. The front lighting units showcase a slender design, balancing a blend of technological sophistication and modern style. The ZEEKR 007's overall exterior is equipped with over 2,400 LED bulbs, with a 90-inch integrated smart light curtain at the front containing 1711 LEDs. This intelligent light curtain features a curved three-dimensional lampshade, encompassing 7,296 transparent points, and is equipped with 75 24-bit high-power LED-controlled chips, supporting a refresh rate of 30 frames per second. With a brightness of up to 10,000 nits and a visual range of 310 degrees, the smart light curtain additionally supports real-time canvas functionality, allowing graphics drawn by passengers inside the car to be displayed directly on the curtain. Judging from the laser radar mounted on the roof and the various cameras installed on the vehicle body, the ZEEKR 007 is set to feature advanced intelligent driving assistance functions. Moreover, the front fender is equipped with interactive lights for intelligent driving assistance. These lights not only display navigation functions but also provide directional guidance during automatic parking by varying the intensity of blue light. The ZEEKR 007's body side profile adopts a design resembling a coupe style with sleek lines, while the contours and lines around the front and rear wheel arches impart a certain muscularity to the vehicle. The front braking system is equipped with large opposing 4-piston calipers, although it remains unclear whether this configuration will be standard across the entire lineup. The exterior rearview mirrors apply the same borderless design as seen in the ZEEKR X, offering the driver a relatively broader field of vision. The ZEEKR 007 features two slender taillights that contour the rear profile, enhancing its overall appearance. The flowing light taillights utilize super red technology, intensifying their penetrative effect. Furthermore, the rear employs a decorative panel with wave patterns to create a cascading light effect, elevating the vehicle's rear recognition. Additionally, the glowing ZEEKR emblem is designed at the bottom of the rear windshield, further enhancing the entire vehicle's rear identification. In terms of dimensions, the ZEEKR 007 measures 4865/1900/1450 mm in length, width, and height respectively, with a wheelbase of 2,928 mm, positioning itself as a pure electric mid-size sedan. Inside, the ZEEKR 007 employs a dual-tone interior design. The center console design and functional layout resemble that of the ZEEKR X. The ZEEKR 007 is equipped with a 35.5-inch central screen. As per ZEEKR's disclosure, the ZEEKR 007 features microfiber-wrapped roofs and soft Nappa full-grain leather-wrapped seats, along with metallic-colored coat hooks, a glasses case, and ice block lighting. As per the previously released new car declaration, the ZEEKR 007 will come with both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations. The two-wheel drive model is equipped with a maximum power of 310 kilowatts electric motor, achieving an acceleration of 0-100 km per hour in 5.4 seconds. Meanwhile, the four-wheel drive version boasts a front and rear motor power of 165 kilowatts and 310 kilowatts respectively, achieving an acceleration of 0-100 km per hour in 2.84 seconds. The standard range version offers a range of 688 km, while the long-range version reaches up to 870 km. Overall, the ZEEKR 007 boasts impressive features in combination with its pre-sale price, making it a standout in its segment. It has garnered significant attention, even overshadowing the yet-to-be officially launched Xiaomi SU7. What are your thoughts on the ZEEKR 007? Subscribe to my channel for more updates on Chinese automobiles.